Welcome, in front of me is a Bocoin K800, and today I will show you how to do a hard reset through settings. So to start off, let's open up the settings app, which is right here for me, and then go all the way down till you see backup and reset, which is right here. And then at the bottom you will find factory data reset. So tap on it, you get a little message what will remove. So as you can see, download apps, music, photos, other data. Just tap on reset phone and then erase everything. And now the process will begin, and it will take probably several minutes, so just be patient, and I'll be back once it's finished. Okay, and as you can see, now the process is finished and all the personal data will be completely removed from your device. So yeah, now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.